Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox a Dell Inspiron 155590. So let's get started.
Be strong.
But before going in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Oh man, we have two packets here. This is the Dell Inspiron 5590 and this is the Dell backpack. We get two packages when we order from a Dell store. Everybody knows that, of course. So let's unbox this. Now let's check this backpack out. Actually I ordered this before 20 days. Yesterday I got this. But one good thing is they keep you posted about your order. That's a very good thing actually. And this is the Dell backpack. Oh, they packed this also too heavily. Let's throw this out. And wow, I like the pattern. This is a Dell traditional style backpack. The small zip here and the main zip it's here, and here is the way we place a laptop. This is strong and made of good quality, but this isn't important for us. So let's unbox the laptop without any delay. Let's keep this aside. And here is the Dell Inspiron 5590. So let's unbox this. And wow, this is the safest packing I have ever seen. You guys check this out. It's packed with airbags on both sides, and this is the documentation and the instruction manual. Wow, I like this. And let's check it still what we have in this. Yes, and let's throw them aside. And here we have the power cord and the 65-watt adapter. Yeah, this laptop supports fast charging. Within 1 hour it charges from 0 to 80%. Okay. And let's take the laptop out of this. And wow guys, this laptop's airbags are very strong. Cool. Let's keep them aside. And here is the Dell Inspiron 155590 laptop. This is a 15.6 inches laptop. Wow, the texture, it's so smooth and it's very lightweight. It's about just 1.6 kgs. The thickness of the laptop is 17.7 mm, which is so thin and lightweight. And coming to the look of this laptop, it's matte finish silver color. And coming to the quality, it's aluminum top, which is pretty strong, and hard plastic on the back. And we have the air vents, the air grills here, and two stereo speakers here on the left and on the right. Moving on to the ports, on the left we have a power port, a HDMI port and two USB 3.1 ports, and at last we have Type C port. And on the right we have a lock, a USB 2.0 port and headphone jack and SD card reader. That's a quite lot of ports. And coming to the internal features of this laptop, it comes with i5 10th generation processor along with 512 GB SSD M2, that's second generation. But the main drawback of this laptop is it doesn't have a dedicated graphic card. Instead it comes with the Intel UHD 620 graphics support, which is a decent graphic support. And it has 8 GB RAM, dual channel, that means 4+4. The biggest feature I feel the most important is we can charge this laptop through the Type C port. it's 60,000 laptop. Under this cost, it's not a common feature every laptop has. So it's a great feature at this cost. It comes with an anti-glare screen and backlit keyboard. Of course, backlit keyboard is a pretty damn sure feature of every laptop, so it's common. I almost forgot to tell you about the sensor, special sensor present in this laptop. According to the sensor, whenever you open the laptop, there's no need to again and again switch on the power button. It automatically switches on when you open the laptop. That's a good sensor. And whenever you open the laptop at 135 degrees, there will be a small rise at the bottom. This is because for the airflow, which keeps the thermals at the right temperature. Now I'll show you how the sensor works. So when you open the laptop, did you see that, guys? There's no need to press the switch on button again. It automatically starts. And now let's check the fingerprint out. I mean the speed and accuracy of the fingerprint. And wow, it's too fast and very accurate. And I'll show you the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint is embedded on the power button. Now I'll show you the trackpad. It supports the multi-gesture trackpad, and left and right button are located here. And now I'll show you the backlit feature of the laptop. This laptop has two levels of backlit. This is the first level and this is the second level, though I can't find a much difference in this. So let's switch this off. And let me show you the air vents, guys. The air vents are present here, but I doubt that the hot air will touch the screen. But Dell claims that it doesn't affect the laptop or the screen. So let's see if we get any problem in the future. Actually, guys, I'm very curious to know how this laptop fits into this backpack, because it's a 15.6 inches laptop. But when I saw this space given for the laptop, I doubt it really fits into this backpack. So now let's check that out. Whoa, my guess was wrong. I think it was specially made for the 15.6 inches laptop. It fits great, and we also have a strap here, so it doesn't move. Yeah, it's fine and good. That's all, guys. It's time to wrap up the video. I think I gave a good description about the laptop and the Dell backpack, of course. And according to my opinion, this is actually a good laptop, and the cost of the laptop is just 60,000. And the main thing is it's from Dell company. We all know that Dell and HP are the best laptop manufacturers till now. So for 60,000 laptop with anti-glare screen, backlit keyboard, good number of USBs and fast charging, and also the main feature, we can charge this laptop with USB Type-C. Yes, and 1.6 kg, 17.7 mm thickness. I think it's worth it. And I'll give a detailed review about this laptop by a week. So of course I need a week to study A to Z on this laptop. So I'll make a detailed review within a week. And that's all about this video. Please stay home, stay safe. And this is Prakash signing out.